have poor, bad energy, and I ask you all, if you do have a sleep issue, you've been told that you snore, you feel tired throughout the day, get a home sleep test. Notice I said home because no one has time to go to a lab anymore, right? Get a home sleep test. Knowledge is power. If you have to wear a CPAP, try it. Usually the severe patients end up with CPAP. But we as a dental professional, as a dental entity, can help these patients with the one other treatment, and that's an oral appliance.